Hello everybody, it's the February 2023 garden update, and as you can see there are some signs of life here and there. Not too much going on down here just yet, but that will change over the next few weeks. I did get that little sapling pulled up finally got around to it, and I have started cleaning some of these plants up that froze out from last year. This bed will be prepared and planted out here pretty soon. Only thing that's growing right now is the spider lilies. The ground cover got frozen back a little bit, but it's got green in it, so it'll bounce back pretty quickly. I'll cut it with the string trimmer and let it grow out fresh new growth. It should be okay. This bed here is also on the list to get rehabbed. It needs a little bit of work to bring it back up to where it was. I've got some plants coming up though, so those will be growing pretty well, and hopefully we get some good blooms this year. I am all prepared to plant my beans. I'll plant them right in this area here. I do have some carrots up, so that's real good to see. The onions are continuing to grow. They're looking real good and healthy. I fertilized them last weekend. I'm recording this February 20th, 2023. These are a little bit lacking in this area, so they might need a little water. So I can take care of that. But other than that, they're doing pretty well. My broccoli and cabbage are both doing well. They're beginning to thrive and grow. It's been a week since I planted them. And of course my potatoes are planted, so it'll be a couple, 3 weeks before they start poking through the ground. This south side flower bed is beginning to grow. I did some cleaning up on it over the past weekend, so we should start seeing some changes here by next month. I'm beginning to detect some growth here in the yellow flower bed, so that's a good thing to see. Also on this front flower bed by the house, got some weeds to pull, but there are some plants beginning to grow and little flowers starting here and there. The bushes are starting to make a comeback, so I will fertilize them. These really took a beating over Christmas time, where the temperature got down into the single digits, but they are putting on new growth, so that's wonderful to see. Very wonderful. Don't know how much longer these are going to last. They've been in here for all the time I can remember. Here's this middle flower bed in the front yard. The daffodils are blooming, so that's real nice to see. And then all the other little perennials are starting to sprout. So very, very good. Not much happening by the mailbox flower bed yet, but that will be changing. And I had spent the weekend last Saturday cleaning my iris bed up, so that should start really growing, and I fertilized it. So we're due some rain midweek, so that should help water that in. Got some daffodils blooming. Got a little bit different type there. A lot of daffodils coming up still, so that's good to see. Hopefully they all bloom. Here's an overall look at the front yard. Not much happening there yet, obviously. We're still dormant. And the same thing here on this little strip of grass. Maybe just a slight green tint starting. Some blades of grass have started to sprout here and there. I believe they have. So that's good to see. And then over here by the Nandina tree, I have one lone daffodil, so at least there's something there. Then all this will need to be cleaned a little bit more. And a general look at the backyard. It's about the same as the front. So once again, this has been February 2023 Garden Update. Thank you for watching.